Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to end a debate that has been going on for a very long time, and that is Western versus Japanese. Which one cuts smoother? I have 12 different saws. 6 of them are Japanese, 6 of them are Western. I did a little experiment, cutting them, gluing them, that kind of stuff. I'm going to put them in a box, grab one out randomly, show it to the camera, and then let you decide whether you think it's a Western saw or a Japanese saw. Let's dive in. So there we go. Hopefully that squashes the debate forever because you can't tell a difference. Anybody that does say they can tell a difference, they're lying. Go back and watch the footage. You can't tell. They both cut smoothly. It's going to come down to your preferences on which style you want. Do you want to sharpen it, not sharpen it, fancy handle, not fancy handle, cut on the push, cut on the pull? They both perform the same. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. And have a good day.